Suppose we are working on big data solution, then we need to access data from multiple sources. For example, we might pull data from various sources such as transactional database, a live data stream, or from unstructured web content into S3. S3 is nothing but Amazon simple storage service. By the help of Amazon Athena, we can aggregate the file in Amazon S3 and restructure the data from further analysis. Athena is a serverless, so we don't have to set up or manage any information infrastructure. And in this lab, we will create Athena application, define a database in Athena, create a table, define a column and data type, run simple and complex query. Now we will live status is ready. Click on AWS. Now search here Athena. Next, done. Don't need to switch anything. Okay, now again we need to search S3. Open it in different browser. Here first we must specify an Amazon S3 bucket to hold the result from any query that we run on Athena. Okay, here we can see that a bucket is created for us for this lab. Look, this is the bucket created for us. Okay, select bucket name, go to properties, copy ARN. ARN is nothing but Amazon resource name. Okay, copy this and paste it in notepad. Okay, now click here again and need to set up first. Look, before you run your first query, we need to set up a query result location in Amazon S3. Okay, click on edit, browse, select it, choose, save. Okay, that is saved. Now here we enter some query. For query, go to here and copy query directly. Query this, copy this and paste here. Run the query. Query successfully. Okay, run. Our query successfully run. Now we will choose create table. Create table. Look, table data location. Now create table using S3 bucket data. Click here, table name, here write yellow, copy from here and paste. Yellow, no need to write any description. Database taxi data, its correct location. Copy this URL and paste it. C and Control plus V. Okay, now we will click on next. From data format select CVC. CSV in bulk, add column, copy from here and paste here. Click on OK. Create table. Okay, our table is created now. Choose now we will click here which we created and click on preview table. Wait for some time. Now which we created, that is visible here. Now we need to create. Now we will go to next task, create a table for January 2017 data. Choose this new, choose it and copy this entire paste here, and now run this query. This will create table for January 2017 data. Look, query successfully run again, and our next task is run a query using data that is not divided into bucket. Now click here and run next command for task 2.2. This is the command, run it, copy and paste here, run it. Look, note this data that is scan data scan 9.32 GB. Thereafter we will go to task number 2.3. In this task we run a query using the data that is divided into bucket for each month. Okay, for that copy 36 number stay query, that is look, this is the command, copy it, click on here, paste, run this command. Wait, data scan here 702, wait, that is running. Look, 815.30 MB. Our next task is we will create partition for pay type equal to 1 by running following, while running 38 number step query. Okay, create pay type for 1, click on next icon button, run this query. Thereafter we will compare the performance of running the next data query with the partition data in the credit card, that table with the non-partition data in the yellow table. For that run 39 number step query. Query runs successfully. Next, click on here, paste, run it. Copy next query, data scan 9.32. Next, This is 73.22 MB. Now our next task is in Athena command window we create view for the data fare paid for the credit card and with cash by entering the two different query. For that we will go to step number 40. That is our next task. Copy and click here, paste here, run this command. Now copy next, query run successfully again. We'll paste here and run both the command. What happened? Okay, that is not possible. And paste here, run this command, query successfully run. Now we will see some result. For that, copy it, run this. Credit card fare. This is the credit card fare, and for cash trip, copy here and paste. Run this command. Look, this is the cash fare. Now we will go to some challenge question. That is, first write a query that identify the most common pickup location in January 2017. For that, copy this query. I will give this query in description box. Run this query here. Okay, that is successfully run, and we can see the result. And now we will go to next challenge question, that is, write a query to compare the average distance for trip that were paid with credit card and the average distance for trip that were paid with cash in January 2017. Okay, for that, paste this query and run. Look, everything is run successfully. We complete this lab, and also both of the challenge question we complete. At the end, we will click on end lab. This lab is successfully completed. Thanks.